Moldbusters is innovating in environmental and restorations yet again, with streamlined virtual inspections using our own property technology. With gas prices on the rise, not to mention post-COVID anxiety over having people in your home, the technology is finally here, allowing for effective video and audio communication. Moldbusters is seizing the opportunity to begin offering free virtual inspections to solve our clients' problems while saving them valuable time and reducing overall costs. Moldbusters has developed an easy-to-use software for virtual inspections, which works right from your browser and no additional app installations are required. Connect with a certified inspector in minutes right away from your home. Get connected with a certified inspector for free right away or select the most suitable time and date. Schedule your free virtual inspection via bossmold.com website or by calling the Moldbuster Solution Center at 1-877-566-6653. Once your appointment is scheduled, you will receive a custom link to join the virtual inspection. Open it via your Chrome browser and voila! Make sure to enable the microphone and the camera when prompted. Press the Join Meeting button and you will reach a certified inspector via a video call so you can show us your problem. For best results, please connect via a mobile device such as a smartphone or a tablet. Ideally, you need to have a flashlight to illuminate the areas of concern. A stable high-speed internet connection is also very important. Once you're connected with the inspector, you switch on your front camera and guide us through the areas of concern in your property. Upon completion of the virtual inspection, you will receive a complete inspection report, outlining the inspector's observations and recommendations. If an estimate for remediation is needed, we will do our best to create one using the information we've gathered during the virtual inspection. However, due to the limited scope of online assessments, an in-person visual inspection may be required. You will also receive a free PDF copy of our 2019 Residential Mold Removal Guidelines, which is a comprehensive 65-page document that contains all you need to know about the process of residential mold removal. This is a unique offer valued at $79 Canadian, which you will be getting for free as part of the virtual inspection. So if you've been putting off getting your home inspected, there's no time like the present. Give our no-hassle free virtual inspections a try.